me a one rasta youth when a pre-peer pressure. Now follow some dread and go pre-ear dress. Nuff attack, say them mad and nuff attack, say them bad. And when you go with them yard like Sabine be a setter. And a floss who them say me nah bust without a tattoo. Hey, I couldn't meet them a talk to them a figure settle down mechanics pass through wall when me a the only man with pants from waist. Nah follow nobody.
Kill it. Every ghetto youth, yeah. If you don't make money, then you don't make sense. Pounds and US, no pence.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Twin of Twins is warning the public of an unscrupulous individual they say is pretending to be Uncle Socks and has defrauded people by collecting money for dubs and jingles. Uncle Socks is a fiction character created by the twin brothers on their latest album, Stirred Up Volume 10.
There is some person going around, pretending to be Uncle Socks. That's the character that I created on Stirred Up Volume 10. He's actually going around telling people that he is the character that character is based on. He is Uncle Socks and he's doing our dubs and jingles and whatever. So we're kind of making the public in general and sound man and promoters, people to just be aware of this person because his allegations are not true. That character is made up, fictitious, not real. I have nothing against with people being inspired because, when you do work out there, you put out your work out, the people are going to be inspired by you. But people have to come tell lie. We refute that lie, you know what I'm saying? If you ever come say something, just Anna Twins. Twins do something to say, okay, I like what you do and I imitate it, just like we a million people do. You know what I mean? And that's the downside to our work because the lines get blurred between what is imitated and what is created. So we're making people know, say, that's a creation. And give homage where it due.
What the deal? The Flossing King Flippa Mafia has walked away scratch-free but with a dent to his Porsche following a fender-bender in Kingston. Flippa, who is thankful that the accident wasn't serious, tells Music News that he has already done an estimate to have his Porsche sorted out in a jiffy.
I am great with it. You understand? It's all vanity. You understand? It's nothing great. It's just a little fender bender. Door get a little scratch. Right at Chartwood Road on Rosemary Drive. I was heading. And the lady came out. She said she didn't see me. So, I'm upset because he's a big woman and you don't know. We're a public figure so we can't do. I was upset though. I'm not going to lie. But I was going to say, it's all material stuff. It's all vanity. Go and do the estimate. So, can't drive big bad Porsche and the car look away. So if I drop it in the shop and get it back by Saturday, me head out for Cayman. So when I come back, I'll have back my car again, Chris, brand new.
What the deal? Snoop Lion has lashed out on Bunny Wailer in an interview with Rolling Stone magazine stating that Bunny is a phony because he was speaking negative about Snoop Lion becoming a rasta.
I don't want to be here judging who is true and who isn't true. But what should happen is that the music that we have, so far for many years have been involved in establishing, we should be very cautious and careful of people coming into the music without understanding where it's at and where we are heading and all of that kind of stuff. And with Snoop, because Snoop is a dog first, and I called him a lion because I couldn't call him a dog. Right. And then he did not treat me as one that really emphasized on him from being a dog to being a lion. And that is something that I am not really satisfied with. But then again, we know that everyone's got a right to be who they want to be, but you got to be making sure that you are truly what you're supposed to be. And Snoop, instead of being Snoop Dogg, is now focusing on being Snoop Lion. So I hope he does the things that are lion-like in Snoop and not a dog.
What the deal? Alpha Man is denying rumors of him being in a pool with 6 gay men and is demanding an apology from Zip FM Radio for publishing the story.
No, Q45 come and say, Elephant, look here. I say, I want now. Q say, you see how people wicked? So I say, what? Elephant Man, gardener, my gardener say, him say elephant and 6 person from the gay community or whatever in him pool swimming. Elephant now, me, Winford. Let me take off me. Me, elephant. We are elephant, energy God. Well, out of them things, let me try to show you how people wicked. Why them not write something good about dancehall? First of all, big up to Zip, but you see the little dry-eyed girl over there will get up and put that on the internet about elephant. I don't know what kind of problem she have her yard. But these are the things where them take artists the idiot. And it's like when you do that now, when you try blighted my career, suppose me, I did one of them artists the way me I go see and me I go want step to a certain way. You can't do them things there. Time and things and times too serious. You can't ramp with people them way there. You understand? So you know the reputation when me have already and know say, yo, them always do them things there. So you go get up and come do them things there now when you don't have no proof about nothing about that. You don't try call my manager, you don't try call me. Elephant is the easiest person to find.
So not even close go say elephant.
Winford.
Not even close.
Close. Winford, me, Energy God, we born to kill a boss. You know how our thing go close. My good house, my nice blue, nice pool where me have to pay how much money every week to make my water clean and nice. Me to come contaminate my water, me to come mash up my thing. Listen to me, Winford, nothing like that.
What the deal? Vybz Kartel says Tommy and Popcaan have betrayed him and states that he remains confident in his ability to beat the pending murder and conspiracy case.
Remember when we the round a every deal and you say you never will diss me. Inna me mind I laugh, cause me don't know mankind frisky. Me not hear me coming like lion and me tougher than 50 piece of pipe iron. Everybody know the person that I am, me boss people, but me not just no man.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out islandvibes.com for the latest music, news and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Bring up and stand up and watch them fall. Talk out of them run the whole dance hall. Me a DJ from before them a call. Man a old veteran, for them a old or real bad men. Stand up and watch them free. So me see there a bad men wanna be. Come and talk to but me kill boy free. Whether in a clubs or desert wanna be real. None of them fool ya, them no bad like a we. Say a them a run the place, but them no bad like a we.